Okay, just a quick demonstration of the n3d scripting language. This is the most recent prototype. If you search through my YouTube archives, you'll find a version a few years back. That was Java 3D. This is HTML5. It works in a browser. So in any case, here we have an input bar. We got a couple of inputs. We got an output bar with one output. Here we have a template for entering values into our input bar. And as you can see, as we execute, nothing happens because nothing's connected. We can connect an input to an output, and if you execute that, you see that the result equals 1. A equals 1. Execute. A equals 2. All of the input nodes are labeled as they are named. So now we can add different types of transformations to the data as it flows through our diagram here. So for example, if we add an addition, a plus command here, now if we connect our two inputs to our input bar and our output to our output bar here in the plus command, now when we execute, our result equals 3. So there's a number of different things that we can do in this, with this type of scenario. Let's say we'll add an equals command here, and we'll pass a constant of type decimal, value of 3, pass that into our equals command here and execute, and that is false. And why is that false? Because coming in here, 1 and 2, those are integers. So if we change this type here to integer and execute, now we get a true, right? So there's a number of things you can do with that. Pretty darn powerful. In any case, this scripting language is designed to work in conjunction with the Newbound network and the Newbound PowerStrip software. And so there is an entire API of apps that are installed with the Newbound network that we have at our disposal in terms of providing commands that we can call. So for example here, if we do a get peer info command on our peerbot and pass that value to our output, we get a structured object with a number of different attributes. So including one of the attributes here that comes in is our ID. So for example, if we pass this into a primitive of get, and we pass in the constant of type string ID, and pass that to the output bar, now you'll see that we got our inputs and our outputs mixed up. For some reason it's rendering them from left to right, or from right to left instead of left to right. We'll fix it. In any case, okay, so now that's passing out the ID.